Hello, Simon When I first heard of the Big Bang, I kind of thought that, yeah, there would have to be a big collapse and that this would be a repeating process. That seems to make sense if you take the Big Bang. But there are some other possibilities, and in fact, cosmology right now is not in the collapse. For a long time, scientists resisted concluding if it would collapse or not, and they looked for evidence, and now they found dark energy, which seems to have a negative pressure that is causing the expansion actually to increase. So right now it looks like we get one universe, and it starts out really hot and uniform and ends up really cold and clumped up. So we would have one run. I wonder how that idea satisfies you or not. It's also possible that the universe, just is expanding on some other, basis. It could be that it just keeps coming out of um, the original Big Bang in a continual sort of flow, and somewhere it's collapsing back in, like in black holes, say, and it keeps coming out in this expansion. We see this effect in the expansion. I mean, I don't know. That's a weak idea, far from a theory. But the point is, there are some other things, like you say, that as long as your idea matches the seen evidence, then that theory is still possible. So anyway, it looks like we do just get one chance currently. It could go back to some idea of collapse, but of course they never actually saw the collapse. What they were looking for was enough gravity, enough mass in the universe to cause eventual gravitational collapse. And they looked and looked, and what they found is that there's a lot of matter that they can't see, and it's dark matter, and that most of the energy in the universe is not in the form of matter, but is in the form of dark energy, and this is causing an expansion. So it looks like it will never collapse.